back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Fashitude box for August month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. So this is the MYSTI-BOX from Fashitude. This is a jewelry subscription box. Price for a monthly subscription is 499 rupees, but don't worry. I have a coupon code for you. The coupon code is RITU5. By using this code, you will save 5%. Don't worry, I will be mentioning this in the description box. Plus one more thing, they have the COD available. So if you want to place this order through COD, you have to pay 60 rupees extra. I will be mentioning everything. Don't worry, the buying link, the COD charges, the coupon code, everything in the description box. Now let's quickly see what all it has. I have already told you that it's a jewelry subscription box. So let's start with the first one, and this time I have 3 neck pieces and 3 pair of earrings, which is amazing. So let me quickly start with the first one. The first one is this beautiful neck piece. So you can just see it's so pretty. It is this tassel thing here, and this is so colorful. So the look is quite nice, very rich and beautiful neck piece. Let me just quickly wear it and show you the look. It's quite long, so it's not visible. So let me just show you like this. So you've seen this, and this is the length. So very beautiful neck piece. I love it. I know this is not really going with this top because it's this white and a bluish kind of a color, but this is very rich. I love it. Very beautiful neck piece. Of course, my favorite in the box for sure. Now let's move on to the second one, and again I'm going to show you a neck piece, and this is actually very pretty. This is like 3-layer neck piece, and the color is golden with a stone here which is silver. So this is the 3-layer neck piece. So super nice. Let me wear it and show you. It's again a party wear kind of a neck piece, and this is definitely going to look nice because the style is such, and it's like plain chain, but it has this 3-layer pendant kind of a thing here. So this is the look. Now let's move on to the second one, the third one actually. Now I'm going to show you these earrings. These are really pretty, very beautiful. So black and white is here. Then I have some gold here, and they are quite big. So I am sure they are going to look stunning. Let me just wear it and show you the look. Okay, so wow, so you can just see they are looking super pretty. I love it. Now let's move on to the third one, the fourth one actually. What's wrong with me? Okay, the fourth one, and the fourth one is this beautiful neck piece again. Not actually neck piece, but this is something very different. This is a plain chain, and then I have like a long chain here. So let me just wear it and show you the look. So this is the look. You can just see it's a plain chain here, and then one long chain here. So actually, to enhance the look, what you can do is you can wear this with a low neck, so the design will be visible. So yes, I like it. Very different. So I am definitely going to try it. I don't know with what, but yes, I like it. Very different style. So happy with this one. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one are again very different. I don't have anything of this sort. These are the earrings. So I have jhumkis like this, but these earrings are not like this. They are like this. So which is quite different, like this. Let me just wear it and show you the look. Then you will get to know what I'm talking about. So silver is the color, and the style is quite nice. You can just see. This is the style. So of course they are different and they look really nice. Pretty. Now I'm left with the last one, and the last one are golden earrings, and these are star shape hoops, you can say. So star is the shape, and these are like golden hoops. Hoops are always in fashion. That is one thing about hoops. And for these earrings, these are like the star shape, so quite different, yet they will always be in fashion. So yes, I like it. The color is golden, so again very safe, and this is the look. So really pretty, and that's all what I have received in my Mystic box from Fashitude for August month. And this month, all the jewelry are really beautiful. If you ask me, 3 neck pieces in one box, then 3 earrings, and all 3 earrings are really nice. One is this, the other one is this, so you can just see, really pretty. Then these earrings are again very nice. Then all the 3 neck pieces, like, all are different in style and all are pretty, all are very trendy. So yes, overall a good box. I like it, and if you ask me, yes, I will totally recommend it. I will be mentioning everything in the description box, the coupon code, the price, the buy link, everything. So yes, check the description box for details. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye bye.